How to create a logo for your business. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can create a logo for your business step by step for free. So let's get into it. Now, creating a logo has become so complicated, and when you look at some of the tools available, you feel like you have to pay a lot of money, then you have to hire someone, then you have to, buy premium fonts, premium items, premium elements to be able to actually create your font. However, we have simplified all of that because in this video, we will be using Zarla.com. So to get started, all you have to do is head on over to Zarla.com. This is a free logo creator. Over here, you can get started with a bunch of different options. So you can just go on over and enter your brand name. Let's say for us, it might be Beauty Bar, or let's say this is Girl Boss Beauty Bar. And then I'm going to click on create your free logo, and then you're going to enter the business that you are in. So what kind of business is this? So let's say it's a beauty services business, and I'm going to click on next over here. Then I can add a slogan. So let's say I want to enter my slogan as feel your best, and then click on next over here. Now after that, you have three options. So what exactly do you want to use your logo for? If you want to sell your products, if you want to sell your services, or if you're going to be starting your business soon. So we are looking to sell services because this is a beauty clinic. And then you can choose whether or not you would like to choose icons or search for icons yourself. So first off, we're going to go with our first option, which is choose icons for me. And just like that, it will give you a suggestion of icons, and you can choose the icon that you like the most. Now, you can obviously customize the icon however you like later on, and you can always customize individual elements, colors, or specific elements or graphic elements that are present within the icon. Now, these are some amazing logos. However, if you want to further customize this, you can click on create your free logo, go ahead and click on the same options, and then click on search for icons. So over here, this will suggest you some of the relevant elements that are related to your particular niche, and that could be used for your logo. So let's say I want to enter the keyword of beauty over here. And you guys can see multiple different types of elements are showing up. Let's say I want to add salon over here instead. Now you guys can see multiple different types of elements. Let's say I want to add girly like this, and you guys will see a different type of aesthetic is being presented. Now this just really depends on what is your logo, how you want to orient it. If I want it to be floral, if I want this to be oriented towards women, if I want it to be more gender neutral. Let's say I want to use this element. This wasn't initially suggested, however, let's say I want to use it, so I can click on this, and you can choose up to 5 logos that you might want to pick out from. So let's say I want to pick out from that, this, and then I can search for anything else as well. So let's say I want to search for diamond, and we have a bunch of different elements. Let's say we want to use maybe this one as well as this one over here and this one. So now we're going to click on next over here. And now what the Zarla.com website does is that it creates the logos according to the elements you provided. So you guys can see these are the logos generated with the elements that I wanted. Now you guys can see I have a bunch of different options to pick out from, and I can start customizing that as well. So let's say I want to continue on with this one. This maybe might be the closest to what I'm thinking of creating my logo to be like. Now I can click on customize over here, customize icon, color, and text, and this will open up the Zarla icon editor. It's a very basic, simple to use icon editor. Now from here, you guys will be able to see on the top left, you have your icon options, then you have your colors within your icon. Then you have the size of the icon as well, like this. You can increase your sizes like so. And you can always decrease the size, increase the margins along the icon, and whether or not you want to show the icon. Then you can also change your icon over here if you don't feel like it matches with your aesthetic. Now, after that, you have the name section on the left toolbar. In this section, you can customize the text present beneath your particular icon. Let's say I don't want to add beauty bar. Let's say I just want to add girl boss beauty over here. So now in the next section over here on the left side, you have your name section, and I've removed Girl Boss Beauty bar. Let's say I just want it to be called Girl Boss Beauty. And after that, we have our font. So you can click on change over here to change the font style that has been chosen within your particular template. So we have multiple different fonts available. You guys can see there is quite a large array of fonts that you can pick out from. So you have a bunch of different fonts, whichever one you prefer, you can try them out. And you can preview all of your fonts before deciding on one particular font that you want to use. And you will see on the top right, it's going to be editing and changing the font. So we have Cookie Regular. Let's try out this font over here. I think I like this font the best, and now I can go back and choose the size of the text. So I want to keep this size, and the margins are fine as well. So I'm going to move on to our next section, which is the slogan section. So I can click on the slogan over here, which is added right down below our actual logo or brand name. Now, if you want to remove your slogan, if you don't want to use your slogan in your logo, you can just change it or just remove it like this, and this will make your logo full size. So let's say I don't want to include my slogan. I feel like my logo is gonna look a bit too busy that way. So for that reason, I'm going to remove the actual slogan. Then I'm going to go into our colors. So you guys can see there are certain color schemes that have been created that will be displayed on the bottom in the preview section, because not only does Zarla actually provide you with your logo, but they actually provide you with multiple different mock-ups of what your logo is going to look like. So you have pinkish black, joyful pink, pink green. You have multiple different color combos that have been proven to work. So these are brand colors or brand combos that we already know work together. We know that these color combinations are good and they always look nice. So these are like a safe bet that you can use whenever you are looking to build your color schemes. If you're not certain about what kind of colors you want to use, you can always use one of these color schemes to make sure that you have a good brand. So let's say I want to keep it like this. This is a pink and white color combo, which is the white mulberry color combo. And you can pick out from any one of these color combos. Now, next up, you have your background. So whether or not you want to show the background, or if you don't want to, obviously in the default image, depending on the color of your logo, you will want to show your background. You can remove it later on as well to add it into your favicons or icons. But if you want to keep your background, you can see what it's going to look like with the background in different mockups. However, if you want to change the color of the background, you can click on the top left color icon and choose the color of your preferences. So let's say I want this to be a darker pink, so I can choose it over here. Then let's say if I want to change, the icon color or the icon style, I can click on change color 1 on the icon section on the top left, and I'll change that into black, and then I'll change the color 2 into black as well. Or let's say I'm going to make color 2 slightly gray, and then I can go into my background and I'm going to remove the background, and I'll show you guys what the mockups are going to look like without the background. So these are our mockups without the background, and this is the logo without the background, but I'm going to keep our background because I like the contrast. Now after that, you have your layout of how the logo and the text of your logo has been displayed. So you will see multiple different styles of layouts. You have your standard layout, which is the text at the bottom. You have a vertical layout as well as some more ideas. So in your ideas section, if you click on the bottom left toolbar, you will see certain ideas that are similar to the logo that you designed in case you find a better one that you like slightly more. Now, once you have completed designing your logo, all you have to do is insert your email on the top right and click on free download. Now you will see a logo package will be sent to your email address. Now to be able to access this, simply open up your mail over here and you're going to find a mail. Now if you can't find a mail directly from Zarla, make sure to check out your spam folders just in case it has been sent over there. And within a couple of seconds, it might take a few seconds for this to be completed. Now you guys can see this can take upwards of 10 minutes. Usually it does not take 10 minutes. You guys can see our logo package has arrived within a couple of seconds. Now you will see need a website fast. This is, our downloading our logo package. So I can click on download logo files over here. And just like that, you can see no thanks, just my logo package. And these are the different resolutions available for my logo package. One with the background, one without the background, one with a white one, black one, as well as a see-through one. So in this way, you can get started with building your logo for free. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.